How to set up Sensei Sticky Q&A plugin. Go to Sticky Q&A in WordPress admin dashboard, click Settings. First, create a new page and paste the shortcode given on bottom of setting page. Now, you can set various options given in setting page of Sticky Q&A plugin. First, set the Q&A button front end position. You can set any of the 8 positions available. Here we set middle right. Next, you can enable private notes for students by post-wise or category-wise. Next option is for enabling auto approval. You can set auto approved for certain roles. Similarly, you can restrict user role-wise from asking questions. You can delegate power to reply directly from admin dashboard to certain roles like teacher role for replying students' questions. You can set the default avatar image for user or admin. Then, if you want to restrict number of words for each question, you can do so here. You can also allow a rich text editor for formatting text, image, video questions for users. After all the settings done, click on the Submit button. That's it, your website is ready to use Sticky Q&A plugin.